Good evening, bienvenidos. I'm Ed Ruiz. I'm the counselor here at El Capitan High School. So the Richard Bland College Verdo Opportunity Scholarship is awarded to Janelli Acevedo in the amount of $2,000. So the next couple of scholarships that I'm going to be passing out are UC Merced scholarships. As an alumni of UC Merced, very proud of these gauchos, and hopefully they stay here in the Central Valley. Okay. So, the Francis Benton Honor Scholarship, given to students that show strong academic promise with a cumulative GPA of 3.0 or higher and demonstrate financial need, is awarded to Ariana Jimenez from UC Merced in the amount of $1,000. The Leon O. Diana Chua Scholarship, former Chancellor Steve Kang and Mrs. Mia Kang established this scholarship to express their gratitude to two remarkable individuals who provided them with the encouragement and inspiration while they were at UC Berkeley. This award is given to Evan Tasso from UC Merced in the amount of $1,000. Maybe the next recipient will actually be here. Okay. Wells Fargo Scholarship. This scholarship is given to Central Valley High School student attending UC Merced who will graduate from a San Joaquin Valley High School, given to the first-time freshman with a 3.25 GPA or higher, is awarded to Cassidy Spiva, $1,000 renewable for 4 years and an estimated award of $4,000. Yes. UC Merced Gateway Scholarships given to incoming freshmen who graduate from high school in Merced and will attend UC Merced must have an entering GPA of a 3.0 or higher. This is a multi-year scholarship renewable up to 4 years upon meeting renewal criteria. The first award is to Cassidy Spiva for $2,500 renewable for 4 years, estimated award of $10,000. And yes, these next recipients will all be receiving $2,500 for 4 years, estimated value $10,000, is to Aaron Zhang, Amy Mua, Dylan Saley, Emmanuel Angel, Jonathan Lopez Hernandez, Marcos Mayoral, Myra Monzo, Montserrat Mendoza Guisar. So the Chancellor Scholarship is given based on a student's strong commitment to academic excellence while in high school, as well as demonstrating leadership skills. These are 5 recipients receiving $2,000 renewable for 4 years for an estimated award of $8,000. First recipient, Lorian Gillian, D'Angelo Rocha, Christopher Ham, Ariana Valeria, Benjamin Penfield, So the STEM Program Scholarship is funded by the National Science Foundation, which provides 4-year scholarships to support up to 10 eligible incoming students per year who have a 3.5 GPA or higher and declare majors within the University Schools of Natural Sciences. The Bobcat STEM Scholarship is awarded to Montserrat Mendoza Guisar from UC Merced, $8,000, renewable for 4 years for an estimated $32,000. Yeah. The next student will also be receiving this award for $32,000, Myra Monzo. Last award is for UC Merced's Regent Scholarship, awarded to Melissa Granados Jaramillo from UC Merced for $10,964, renewable for 4 years, an estimated award of $43,856. Thank you.